AOA campground in Flagstaff, Arizona. It's a lovely afternoon. The temperature's about 90 degrees. 2:30 in the afternoon. Okay, shut her off. Huh? All right, this is showing the kiddie play yard near the entrance to the nature deal. You see the tree there, and the nature trail sign is over here on the side. In the background, you see some of the lovely cottages that you can rent if you don't have your own tents or your own trailer. Okay, we'll move up now to the nature trail entrance. Isleta and Pima. And this is near where you get into the entrance to the nature trail. Okay? Swing on over. We're shooting into the sun. I hope we've used the backlighting. Okay. And here's the entrance to nature trail with elevation 6,950 feet. In the background, elevation 8,440 feet. On the horizon, 30 miles away, the mountain rises 1,500 feet above Mormon Lake. Through the background there, you can see Mormon Mountain. No snow on a hot day like today. At least one family of squirrels and several lizards. Notice a sign nearby that says, "Don't disturb the brush pile." Notice the campground in the background. As these yellow blooms appear from April to June, then the large...
Surprisingly, the wild owls can talk.
Sure. Okay, now let me get yours. Hi, Todd, on this wonderful video.
Bye-bye, y'all.
An audio.
Sound and audio via chat.